What's the new bus here? Beji say yes. Obuoasifuo 1.5. What's A? And I'm coming for VIP. No.
Abuoasifuo mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo also TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo also. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e between the new patriotic party Aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. E dey need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President. Women commerce is here.
One almost new bus biba. I'm a what toy. The bus and a buy no. No one up cost Roma said, Duma Metro Master, Dumana Bafomo. Station has said, Nipano Biabane 1.5 or 1 phone because car is here na buy no. A 100 cities and get one buy and I bet you 1.5. It's a grand opinion and sugar. No Biabano say, oh, no bus here say it's 1.5. No quasio. And at the station is station Aban, a dozen. One of 4 hours, but of Fubi. Station can see no second overhead and I think I made Jumano a performance and so ya 20 you want to monto because of people for car and not Tomaye. You say yes, say a car now, but on a unit Sumaye, lot of fairness Sumaye. To say on a power be bar was a new bus here, Beji say yes, or was it 1.5 was A and I'm coming for VIP. No call. So what you say? Baba full 1.5 for there. I say VIP 1.2. To Baba for on for. And Oba so no am to car can say no be to car nke to we are. On for because car can say 100 cities. Enti e papa ya cho say bus na buy no ne bo no e ko soro do. Ta ma ya ton ade ne ye ho kire. Ya da Aban ase so ya kan obeti amaye.
I'll comment section order oh best. Me mama tell comment DB. Obi say, so what is Baumia coming to do again in this country? Sakwa kwasiawe. O freeze Mahama aya de papa bi. For subsidy o mo de buy o mu ye free one. E say Mahama ya nti o say Baumia ba be dem. Na comment ba kokra de o besere o say nyansa ebu man. Nyansa for subsidy na ye free one or see nyansa ebu my back was say very commendable. The other person also say good work. See we just our boss say she was say after the transport operators have increased their prices, now they will never reverse the price hike. And they say Mahama you one Ghana cities are free and fuel prices so into I say transport operators no more increasing prices than that. Now policy way now Mahama there but now their transport operators never say transport first. A bomb penny back on so I say paying straight to camp MPP. Who is subsidy everywhere then any paying a brand MPP. Back Anthony to say Ghana is free now. Second independence, just NDC for way there. You see, Obi can say you say NDC for no mostly. At the end, I am defending. No one tells you. On social media, no one be defending Bibia. At the end, I someone tells you, but once I assume be defended there. On mobile question, I say no mood the Charlie, Obi Keso, that's all Cassem. Koyen this near Panicho that form the book because that is the worst case. any human being can be subjected to like oh no.
What's it medaya to her? Quack kati another sword. Ebe shasi de one. Yay! One America, our park so. I'll say, wadi canyon or no di can or the first. But first, no, or say, mempe first, no. But me jam first no medino, na my baby di last. Na my baby shas ya fofro. What be that? What it look like? Tuna ye to aba editia. Honorable Kennedy Japan. I say ya kakra wonimu. And into no de kasa no. Because say ya any Honorable Kennedy Japan moi. Like the fact and the truth I say Honorable Kennedy Japan. I catch the NDC government and then they say Ghana for nye jide wo mu. It make sure say what commissions our hospital ne dia masante for and the Ghana for. At that moment I will back to now my MPP. Ebeba be demonstration the same. And yet here when this government will fail it. Because a Juma go the necessary way. Into Honorable Kennedy Japan Becca say, NDC MPP for by mu 8 years. One commission into be about 1.5 years a yenja woman. And into Ghana Jina so to about this MPP. So that is your responsibility as NDC to commission the hospital for Asante region. For Asante people. Any Ghana for. Masa, only a hospital, only a hospital, no. 1.5 years penny on GP. What's the 1.5 on GP? On DD. Maybe so on GP. On DD. On DD. Sikaben or Tammy, yes, or the Quack started 24 hours economy marketing. Sikaben or Tammy. Says you can yen to me, ye, and fun finishes our hospital, Nana. It's a mistake at MPP, yeah, you know. That Miss Whole Patch, I say. And this is the same thing, and yes, I. Kofone Shasi. Ocha and NDC for Betwaso, one way, and NDC for so free so, and MPP are Betwaso, almost one way, and I went this waba finishing. Finishing.
Mujene down. Simu de bia ye kan wase. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me ko borrow on my be presidency. On my bit me ko borrow on my be leaders are KBA the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party. KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yen because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals are not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, hospitals and they go and no me say. It is a Canadian saying, and no man in Abaya. It is a kind of country was I would to me say, oh, I mean, say, almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort, my sacrifice, discard to what the hospitals, most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator, me on the funded free seniors, most of my comfort. You say, any Ghana for debut. Na friend at tables na ten after them mokeke mukaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum na nko no ho. Asofo no monko ma ntu with the greatest of respect. Omonko ma ntu na nko nyina ye ho. Chief imam for nko ma ntu na nko nyina ye ho. Politicians nko ma ntu na nko nyina ye ho. Market women omonko ma ntu na nko nyina ye ho. Obi ankara no ntu na nko nyina ye ho. 2020 do they will know the way forward. Yet you come obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open ko nkete. Na ze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yen nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibia ye bia invest ko ye yen nkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Ade asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open ko nkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most people nkete. You see anyone? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me say bi me na me ko ka kire Addo Dee ma say o mema was come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo say there digitalization and to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e dey Addo Dee mama ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo dey oh na mo dey onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia e na gafo say okay ne beto aba na ma boom mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Say die ko ye kra de menu na to me hu letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member Volta region na me say fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwa ni letter na was say council of state member no ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya
juma order and Onya Juma or hot da. I'm a number one for the first time. Number one, I post. Oh, yes. Number one, I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the paneboa.
Or sister, I'm not. Listen for the first time. Number one, and quack baby, aquadan, and then I'm one. Yes. Not just say, what's in Ukraine? Say, state institution, we are intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayaka, bro.
Problem ni nyina say
economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply good no over 75%. Omukoso na se mentem ho ase ba wone nipa na oni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant o mi bo mo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fee on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the oil unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old defendiana afi the also by us say any mokra mweda mempemubium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no. We invite in our my no issue document say we a fugitive. Johnny. Thank you. Personal attack as if say you office one and you sue any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
No, me see the member who know what the very soon who recording is a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institutions are oh on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NNC for my